is nobody from Southeast will become president that will not work for the greater unity of this country, because we have investment everywhere. If anybody is telling you about Biafra, first and foremost, I have been saying it, Chief Elechi said it, Ebonyi State will never be part of Biafra. We are not Biafra. We've been so oppressed, and now we are finding our feet, and you want us to go back. We will not.
By the end of this video, you understand why this video is causing a lot of controversy and why many people are reacting massively to it. Yes, this is not just an ordinary viral clip. This is a real deal. You understand why this criminal devil Omai have come out and made himself as a willing tool to the devil. What this man said about Biafra will shock you. So I'm urging you to sit well. Let's watch the video to the very end of it, because this video have scattered the table. Let's watch it.
Kano and Biafra is the way out of Nigeria. Biafra is the way. Biafra exit is the door that will allow other nations to leave Nigeria. So everybody, because if our government careless, these powers that be in the world, they go down by force. So if our government careless, that's why they do this program. Israel say make they let Kanu go, make a release Biafra. Trump they talk, other nations they talk, African nations they talk. Now they watch the actions of the superpowers of the world, waiting they want to take Biafra do for Nigeria. How they want to come up Biafra from Nigeria, how they want free Kanu. That is the key to the future. Biafra is the key to the future of Nigeria. If you now look at my post where I do for July, before they say they want to do judgment for 18th of July, I write for that post, I say, free Nnamdi Kanu, may they go. Nnamdi Kanu na Fulani problem, no be Yoruba problem. I dey talk, make our president here say, you will be Yoruba, don't inherit Fulani problem. Kanu say Fulani problem. Because the prophecy where they see, now the prophecy they work against them. Now waiting they won't do, now in they see for prophecy. No be waiting Yoruba won't do, now they see for prophecy. Even if Nigerian government no want to divide Nigeria, the world powers go divide Nigeria because of Biafra. So Biafra is the way. Every part of Nigeria we won't go, may they ready to go. As Biafra they go, all of us come out through Biafra. Now, but will not be that one I want to talk.
What you're about to hear next will shock you. Let's keep watching.
I want to say, the powers that be want each unit stakeholder of Nigeria to have a good future. The sufferness where Igbo people they suffer, and the genocide of Christians in Nigeria, it don't reach the whole world. And because of that, they want make peace. Peace where we say political peace, where everybody go feel defend himself and stand by himself. That is the ultimate goal. And this is what our government should do to complement the effort of the American government. The American government now don't subdue all the cabals, negative cabals. Don't subdue all the powerful people. We know that all the chains where they put for the hand and leg of National Assembly, all the chains where they put for president hand. We know let her do what they in mind. American government initiative for Nigeria now. It don't commode those ones for road. So the presidents and the National Assembly should do the needful. So may we do friendly separation into cooperation. Confederation is friendly separation to cooperate at a higher level with respect and dignity. That is confederation. And with all the friends of Biafra now, they no go agree for that parliamentary way when they talk. So may not think am well, or else they will just jack Biafra comot. It will become republic by itself. And once you do that, Yoruba nation too, they get name for United Nations. They go just give them their own. The middle better, where they pay anyhow, United Nations go give them their own republic. Niger Delta Republic don't stand. Therefore, government should play ball. Do it before they do it for you. We must divide ourselves before they divide us. This is good news. If Nigeria government no want divide us, they go divide us. The world powers to go divide us. Therefore, the government must show relevance. As they help us now, they don't send all the cabals to sleep. The powerful people where they hold us down, all of them, they run for their life. This is the time where all of them, they run. Make the government come sit down, National Assembly and the presidency. May they organize small confab, then referendum. May they make all of us vote for how we want to do them. May they do them. May we get Confederation Republic of Nigeria. Parliamentary no go work because the friend of Biafra no go grip parliamentary. They want Biafra may stand by himself. So everybody must stand by himself. That's the formula. Biafra is the way, is what to study to solve Nigeria problem.
Have you seen it? This is exactly the message that you have been preaching out there. We are not calling for war. Neither we are calling for crisis. Yes, we are only advocating for referendum. Let Nigeria government do it in lawful way and call for the referendum. Let all of us decide whether to remain in this country or to go in our separate way. Is the message not clear? These are the people that we respected so much.
The conviction has come and gone. The judicial process has come and gone. It is time to focus on dialogue. Whatever the actions were, or whether right or not right, is immaterial now. What we need to do is focus on dialogue. How do we dialogue with federal government for his release? That's the message I want to pass to everybody. The days of the utterances and the days of the bad talking, this person, that person, let's put that aside. How do we dialogue to make sure he's released? That should be the number one focus. And that should be the number one, number two, and number three focus. Dialogue, dialogue, and dialogue. That is my message to people.
You mentioned about making sure that the President of Nigeria, His Excellency Ahmed Tinubu, will get him released. What was your confidence on that?
He's a listening president. He's a listening president, and it's in the interest of the Southeast. There are those who will have mixed feelings about the judiciary process. There are those who will have different feelings about the judiciary process. So it is for the interest of the Southeast. That's why I said the best way is to dialogue on the process for his release. And he's a listening president. If we go about it the right way, and not make noise outside. Go about it the right way, quiet way, smooth way. I'm sure he will listen. And if we present our case, I'm sure he will hear us. And I'm sure he will work with us.
What about your Igbo brothers? What do you have for them?
It's something I'm saying. Because the days of the utterances and the talking out on the outside is done. Let us focus on going back and forming a coalition that will focus on the issues. And talk about how to bring him out.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nigeria is prepared for war. We cannot give Southeast their wish. Senator Bulkachua on April 2nd, 2024. Ojukwu said it, that another war is not necessary. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu also said it, that we cannot go for or to another war. I am here again to say it, that another war is not necessary. Why should we go into another war? Because of Biafra. You see why I say that Igbo people remains the most civilized in Nigeria. You see, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu came prepared. He knew that another war is not necessary. After the Nigerian Biafra civil war, Ojukwu said that another war is not necessary. That was one of the reasons why Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was very legit and civil. He came prepared. He engaged Nigeria in their own court. He has been all this while asking for referendum. Very simple thing. A lot of countries of the world emerge through dialogue, through referendum. We fought the war in the past. Another war is not necessary. Why are Nigerians calling for war in the first place? Another war is not necessary. But they are calling for war because they knew that legitimately, officially, referendum-wise, they can't win it. Just give us referendum. We are very peaceful and very civilized. Like I said earlier, Igbo people of Nigeria still remains the most civilized tribe by the way they handle things. Look at the way we handle things. Look at Ojukwu after the Nigerian Biafra Civil War. He said that another war is not necessary. Look at Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, how he handled Nigeria. He dragged them to court. He won them. So at a point, he was acquitted and discharged. Look at what is happening. Yet it's not yet over. A lot of people, a lot of parties, a lot of known figures are interested in Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's case with Nigeria because the rate of injustice there is alarming. Another war is not necessary. My reply to Senator Bolkachua is that another war is not necessary. Nigeria needs not to go for another war with Southeast. What Southeast wish can be granted to them. All we ask for is just a peaceful exit from Nigeria, not an abomination. As a matter of fact, it is our right, and it is enshrined in Nigerian constitution. Right to freedom to separate from Nigeria is a right. Even when we have Biafra tomorrow, another people can decide to exit Biafra. It is one of the fundamental human rights. You have right to say that I don't want to be part of this entity. You follow it with due process. I will not be part of that entity. So for a senator to call for war in the first place means that everything is wrong with that. Another war is not necessary. We can exit Nigeria peacefully.
Now that you have watched the full clips, what did you really understand about this video? The fact remains that Biafra is real. There's nothing anyone can do about it because the truth is out there. Even the world, the Britain knew it. But because of the selfish interest, that is why they forcefully joined Nigeria together. Because they know that Biafra is real. So what do you know? Whatever that may be a thought, please bring it on the table. Drop it in the comment section because I'm here to reply all your messages. So who am I? I'm only a messenger. If you love what I do here in this Global Love Channel TV, please don't hesitate to touch a half or subscribe button, like and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And in doing that, we are saving life together. An injustice for one always remain an injustice for all. Till next time, see you in my next video. Bye for now. Thank you.